All right, started running the fuel line so you can see. Came from here into the filter, out of the filter, into the pump, out of the pump. It's gonna come around here. I gotta put a couple ties up in here, cable clamps. Comes in here to this filter right here, comes out of this filter. And then this is kind of what I'm trying to work on here. But that line comes up here, and I got to figure out, because the exhaust is literally right back in here. So I've got to figure out how to get this up through here. I might look at coming to the bottom of the floor, coming around, and then comes in right here, maybe. So it will attach to this one right here. So I'll probably end up cutting it here, making this fitting, and then have to do the return, which is here. This one will be simple, but because it'll run from there, and then where that red cap is right there, that's where the return line will dump back in. It looks good, but these lines, it's kind of hard to work with. But anyways, later.